This video shows how to connect a KNX gateway server with Home Assistant. Left screen, ETS interface. Top right, Home Assistant interface. Bottom right, Server Management interface. First, use Advanced IP Scanner to scan your local network. My subnet is 192.168.5.12254. Use your own subnet. You will see the KNX OS device within 1 to 2 minutes. Find the device name KNX OS. Write down its IP address and MAC address. In this demo, the IP is 192.168.5.220. Your IP will be different. You can bind the IP to the MAC address in your router. Open a web browser and go to 192.168.5.220. Default password ADMIN ADMIN. You are now in the server dashboard. To change username and password, go to Advanced at the bottom left. The dashboard shows CPU, memory, storage, network status, and running services. You can also set up the device via Wi-Fi for wireless network reading. Use File Manager to view and edit all service configuration files. This will be used for KNX configuration later. The Docker section shows running services including Home Assistant and KNX. You can open each service directly from here. The remote section supports remote access and control. This requires a server with public IPv4. This is the KNX Gateway Management Interface. Loopback address 127.0.0.1, port 3761. Click Connect to debug KNX devices with ETS. In ETS, go to Bus Interface. Find the KNX Gateway. IP 192.168.5.220, port 3671. Also check the physical address. We will sync your existing KNX project with Home Assistant. Example, Siemens 2-channel dimmer with configured group addresses. Group addresses are set for on, off, dimming, and feedback. Go back to the Server File Manager. Open the Home Assistant folder. Edit Configuration YAML. This file contains the KNX configuration. Define line entities, group addresses, dimming addresses, and feedback addresses. Make sure they match ETS. Rename the lines to Lines A and Lines B. Save the file. Go to Docker. Find Home Assistant and click Restart. Wait about 2 minutes for changes to take effect. From Docker, open the Home Assistant interface. You can now control both dimming channels in Home Assistant. All group addresses from ETS are now used in the Home Assistant YAML file. Check configuration and feedback in ETS. All on, off, and dimming action shows real-time bus feedback for light A and light B. This is the basic workflow for KNX Gateway and Home Assistant integration.